जलवायु पर चर्चा करेंगे और अंत में संतुलित आहार के बारे में जानेंगे। धन्यवाद।
पिंकी बबली और उमंग भोजन करते देखो सब। पिंकी खाती गाजर आलू, बबली खाती चावल दाल, पालक पनीर। उमंग को भाई तीनों मिलकर भी खाए। पौष्टिक आहार तुम भी खाओ, अच्छी सेहत तुम भी पाओ। धन्यवाद।
Healthy food makes you feel good. We eat different types of foods. There is a lot of variety in food available to us. People living in different parts of our country eat different types of food. Now we will explain importance of food.
Food is important for to perform various activities, to reproduce, to repair injured body parts, to protect the body from disease and keep it healthy. Thank you.
Food gives us energy. Help us manage our health weight. To reduce the risk of chronic disease. Maintain our immune system. Healthy food makes you feel good. Healthy and positive affect your mood. Good nutrition improve well-being.
Food crops are produced from farm. They grow crop crops.
What is crop? When the plants of the same kind are grown or cultivated in one place on a large scale is called crop. This crop is of three types. Now he will explain the types of crops. There are three types of crops.
Kharif crop, rabi crop, zaid crop. Now we will explain about the crop.
Kharif crop. Kharif crop, also known as the monsoon crops, are sown in June or July and harvested in September. For example, rice, turmeric, maize, pulses, etc. Now she will explain rabi crops. Thank you. Rabi crops. Rabi crops, also known as winter crops, are grown in October or November and harvested in April or May. Example of rabi crops: wheat, oats, pulses, mustard seed, flaxseed, etc. Now, we will explain about zaid crop. Thank you. Zaid crop. The season between Kharif and Rabi is zaid crop. This crop grow in March to June. Examples of zaid crop: cucumber, pumpkin, tomato, beetroot, etc. These are vegetable crops. Now, we will explain steps of farming.
The main steps for agriculture practices include preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation, spreading, harvesting, threshing and store. Thank you.
The healthy diet may lengthen your life. I repeat, healthy diet may lengthen your life.
I explained about source of food. Food can be created as the plants or animals. Food for plants. Plants provide us with fruit and vegetables, which are important source of fiber, protein and carbohydrates. Now we will explain edible parts of the plant. The different parts of plant as food. For example, fruits, apple, leaves, spinach, fruits, carrots, seeds, leaves. Thank you.
Animal source food include items that come from animals such as milk, mutton, butter, cheese, honey, egg, etc. Food is important for us survival. Now he explains components of food. Thank you.
Components of food. The food we eat consists of different nutrients, carbohydrates, fat, protein, minerals, vitamins, and water are components of food. Nutrients are chemical substances present in the food provide energy and materials needed by the body for growth and development. Thank you. Nutrients include carbohydrates, most abundant and widespread organic compounds in nature. For example, rice, potato, banana, etc. Fat, major storage form of energy in the body. For example, avocado, nuts, olive oil, etc.
Protein is our bodybuilding food. For example, milk, meat, egg, etc. Vitamins are productive food. For example, mango, milk, meat, egg, carrot, etc. Thank you.
There are different types of vitamin present in food. For example, vitamin A present in mango and carrot, vitamin B present in apple and watermelon, vitamin C present in guava and amla, vitamin D present in kiwi and mushroom, vitamin E present in egg and peas, vitamin K present in tomato and spinach. Thank you.
Like vitamin, mineral are also protective food. Our body needs macro mineral like sodium, calcium, potassium, phosphorus in large amount, and trace mineral like zinc, copper, iron, selenium in small amount. Example: salt, milk, banana, egg, meat, etc. Thank you.
अपने बच्चों को खूब करेगा मगर जो घर का पकड़ा होगा
Deficiency diseases are diseases that are caused by the lack Vascular nephritis are caused by proteins. Different types of diseases are caused by vitamins like night mineral are caused by vitamin A. Thank you.
This is by deficiency of minerals, deficiency of calcium, glucose, and protein, deficiency of phosphorus, cause rickets in seed, and deficiency of iron, causing deficiency of fluorine, cause undertaker deficiency of zinc, cause impaired neurological function.
Balanced diet. Vitamin, minerals, starch, protein, and fats are called nutrients. A diet that contains all nutrients is right about this called balanced. Thank you.
Balanced diet. When we consume a balanced diet, we will maintain our physical as well as the mental health. A balanced diet must contain the proper foods that are consumed in adequate quantities. To eat is necessary, but to eat intelligently is an art. Thank you.
Tips for healthy eating. Do not skip breakfast. Do not get rusty. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Eat less salt. Do not eat food like burger, pizza, fries, etc. Do exercise regularly. Thank you.
Eat fruit plenty, keep your body healthy. Eat fruit plenty, keep your body healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good.